In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on SLP future while talking about the smooth love elixir cost gauge for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like smooth love mixture. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the smooth love mixture value expectation and answer questions in the event that SLP is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will SLP succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will smooth love elixir value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023 05012.29% $0 0026 2023 05 024.54% $0 0026 2023 05 030.06% $0 0027 2023 05 044.06% $0 0026 2023 05 05 plus 0.31% $0 0027 2023 05 066.11% $0 0025 2023 05 07 plus 2.43% $0 0028 2023 05 084.06% $0 0026 2023 05 09 plus 2.20% $0 0028 2023 05 105.36% $0 love mixture value expectation 2023 high expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inner crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 May 14.74% $0 0023 2023 June 29.53% $0 0019 2023 Jul 18.20% $0 0022 2023 Aug 15.24% $0 0023 2023 Sep 6.37% $0 0025 2023 Oct plus 8.75% $0 0029 2023 Nov plus 7.86% $0 0029 2023 Dec plus 15.27% $0 0031 2024 Jan plus 28.63% $0 0035 2024 Feb plus 41.11% $0 0038 2024 Blemish plus 44.81% $0 0039 2024 APRA plus 53.00% $0 value expectation 2025. Our forecast model sees SLP coming to $0 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0. Smooth Love Mixture value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to 1 cent in 2030. What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2040. Our anticipating model sees Smooth Love Elixir coming to 3 cents in 2040. Will Smooth Cherish Elixir supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Mixture won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Will Smooth Adore Mixture reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Elixir can reach 10 cents yet just in the removed future, after 2030. Could Smooth Cherish Mixture reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Will Smooth Cherish Mixture reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Will Smooth Cherish Elixir reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Is Smooth Love Elixir worth purchasing? We are backers of reasonably dangerous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with immense potential gain. Thus, in this specific situation, Smooth Love Mixture merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Elixir a wise venture? Smooth Love Mixture is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Cherish Mixture be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or much higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture succeed and become more expensive? Smooth Love Elixir has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Smooth Love Mixture ascending to 1 cent in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the undertaking. Controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders. Absence of very much planned showcasing technique. Losing local area support. Possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Smooth Cherish Elixir go? Our gauging model sees Smooth Love Mixture value detonating and coming to 3 cents in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Smooth Love Elixir? Smooth Love Mixture will reach $0 the following 90 days, which is a 38.2% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $0. Will Smooth Cherish Mixture make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming that you purchase huge enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and